Welcome back to Dishing It with Stacey. I'm going to be showing you how to make an easy and affordable gift for anyone really, but especially for the women in your life. So before we get started, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and let's get into the video. Today I'm making some lavender sachets. It's really simple to do. You can even sew them by hand. I'm starting out by taking a 5x5 square inch paper and using it as a pattern. And here I've folded over my fabric a few times so that I could cut several squares at a time. Pinning the pattern in place helps keep it still on the fabric while you're cutting. You can make these sachets as big or as small as you want, and you can use coordinating fabrics, or you can use all the same fabric if you like. Just use scraps from an old project, those work perfectly. For a few of my sachets, I'm going to be adding a ribbon and tying a bow on the front of them. So here I'm measuring a few inches of ribbon for each side. I'll pin it in place and tuck in the tails so that I don't sew both ends to the seam. You'll see what I'm talking about when I get going. But here I'm just cutting all the lengths that I need for each one of those sachets. Getting everything pinned so it'll stay secure when I'm going to the sewing machine with it. You can definitely sew these by hand. It wouldn't take that long with a simple stitch, but I have a sewing machine, so I'm going to put that to use today. to start off by sewing a simple stitch all the way around, but leaving an opening at the top about 2 inches long so that I can turn it inside out. I have 2 pins on the other side where I want to stop, because I've made that mistake one too many times. So using 2 pins in the area that you want to stop sewing will help you remember when that time comes. I am being careful to make sure that the other end of each side of that ribbon is not being sewn into the seam. Chilling right under the tree. Stay outdoors, a different kind of date. I'm all yours and I can hardly wait. Come along, start the show, having fun in the snow. Turning it right side out. Smile is brighten up my date. Your blonde hair out of a fairy tale. Come along, start the show, having fun in the snow. And I'm ready to fill it with lavender. This lavender was grown in my front yard, and it smells amazing and will make amazing sachets. I'm adding a loop to the sachets in the area where I'm going to close the sachet up at the top, that area that I left open. I'm just tucking in the ends of a small piece of ribbon into that small opening, pinning it, and then I'm stitching that opening closed, which will also hold the ribbon in place. This is a very simple addition, but it makes it so that you can hang these on hangers in your closet. 19, right? Yes, 19. Ooh. I don't remember if I had this one or not. Winter warmer. Smells sweet. Okay, so it's rooibos herbal tea with ginger, cocoa, star anise, and mace. Star anise, I am not a fan, but I'm gonna try this one because I'm hoping that with the combination of the other flavors together, it won't be prominent. So I'll let you know. But the rest of it sounds really good. All right, getting close, guys. Well, that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and you found something useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Your white cheeks are so hard to resist. Those red lips are longing for a kiss. Come along now and play what I want.